welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today, we are going to be drawing a slice of watermelon. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. So we're going to start with this big U shape. And you all, this drawing is very, very simple. You want to just start with a curved U. It's a big U, right? And today I've turned my paper horizontally, so I've got more space to work with this way. All right, next we're going to do the line that goes across the top. But did you notice that there's a bite taken out of there? All right, so I'm going to start with a straight line and go a little over halfway, and then I'm going to pause. All right, and then I'm going to do a series of little curved lines to make it look like a bite. You all got that? And then I'll continue with my straight line over to the other side. So now I've got a chomp taken out of my watermelon. All right, now we're going to do this other U, and that's going to separate the inside of our watermelon from the rind or the outside, and just slowly following that same curve that I started with, continue over to the other side. All right, what's missing? Seeds. And these seeds are kind of shaped like little teardrops, right? So make the bottom of them a little bit bigger than the top. And you can put your seeds wherever you want them. You can do as many seeds as you want, right? And remember, if I'm ever going too quickly, you can always press pause and stop the video. All right, so keep filling in those watermelon seeds. Friends, was that super easy or what? Okay, that was very, very easy. Maybe one more seed right here. All right, let's add some color. I've picked out some colored pencils that I think will work well, and I'm going to fast forward through this part, but you can stop it at the end if you want to see how mine looks and match my colors. But I've got a couple of greens for the rind and then a red for the watermelon. And here again, the nice thing is I can just color right over those seeds because they're all filled in with my black Sharpie. Phew. I need to sharpen my pencil with all this red. Now I'm going to add some greens for the rind. And I'm going to start with that lighter green. Now watermelons usually have some darker green stripes. So I'm going to come back with my darker green pencil, and I'm going to color some stripes. That looks delicious. Like I want to take another chomp out of it. How do your watermelons look? Hey, you know, they may not look exactly like mine, and that's okay. The important thing is that you're having fun and learning to draw. Great job. I would love to see your watermelons, so please share them with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids and get your watermelon uploaded to our Club Firefly gallery. Until next time, keep on drawing. Remember, it's just lines.